Hi, I'm Kelly from Amplience Product Marketing. Today, I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the Amplience eComm Toolkit. This is an extension that automatically pulls in product, category, and user information into Amplience from your commerce platform. So users won't have to go back, copy and paste. There's no risk for human error. It's a really nice experience and it's easy to install. So let's jump into it. First, I'll run through basic registration and setup of the eComm Toolkit extension. You can follow along on GitHub, and the link is in the description of this video. I'm going to scroll down to the Quick Start section in GitHub and click the following link under Basic Registration. Here, you'll find all the steps to develop this extension. We're going to match all the instructions you see here to the form in Amplience. So you'll want to be logged into Dynamic Content, and then under the Development tab, click Extensions. Here you'll find a list of all your current extensions. Let's register a new one. So in the Setup tab, going down the fields, first make sure the category is listed as a content field. The label should be e-commerce toolkit. This one's important. Make sure to match the GitHub documentation. The name should be eComm-toolkit, lowercase. The URL listed is pointing to our publicly available app on Vercel. So anyone can use this. So if you don't want to build and host it yourself somewhere, this is the next best thing. And then just a quick description. And I'll click Save and hop back over to GitHub where I'll match the permissions to the instructions here. So flipping back to DC, we'll turn Read and Modify Access on and allow same origin and leave the rest. Next, I'll cover install parameters. You'll want to select which commerce platform you're connecting to. We also have a demo REST configuration with sample data, which is nice if you don't have steps for your specific commerce platform and you just want to test. So I'm going to select that one. I'll copy the code snippet here under configuration and paste it into the install parameters section in DC. And finally, snippets. Snippets are totally optional and they'll drive how the extension looks and functions for users and is a great way to simplify adding things into your content schema. This project comes with some snippets that you can add manually and automate using our command line interface. These are also referenced in some of our open source starter projects like Demo Store or the Amplience SFCC composable app. In any case, it's really straightforward, so let's do it really quickly. So I'll pop back over to the main eComm Toolkit page in documentation and scroll down to see all the snippets that are available to me. Quick note, user segments only work for commercetools and Salesforce in basic registration and setup. If you're using BigCommerce or Shopify, you'll need to build and host your own version to get user segments. So I'll just copy and paste the code for each of the snippets, and you'll add a description in DC. So we'll grab products, categories, and user segments. And I'm going to speed this one up a bit because we all know copy and paste pretty well. And I'll click Save. Now let's check out the extension we built. Under the Development tab, I'm going to pull this extension into one of my existing content schemas. Let's choose Product. And you'll see here to add an extension. There's our eComm Toolkit. Let's add the product selector, and there it is. All the products in your commerce platform can easily be searched and pulled in right from the content UI in Amplience. Let's add categories, and there we go. Now a user has categories at their fingertips without having to go back and manually reference or copy and paste things like category IDs into Amplience. And last but not least, user segments. Look at those user segments coming together. This makes it super easy to create more targeted content based on the segments you've defined. And now our business users are ready to work faster while building better content experiences. And that's how easy it is to implement the eComm Toolkit. If you'd like to learn more, again, check out the link in the description. If you have feedback or questions, please reach out to support@amplience.com. Thanks for tuning in.